Hi, my name is Chris Bird, and I'd like to tell you about a course I'm going to be doing in Atlanta, Georgia for the Council of Residential Specialists on October 10th and 11th of 2016. First of all, I'm a CRS certified instructor, I'm an ex-IRS agent, I'm an avid and continuous real estate investor, and I bought my last property on July 30th of this year, and just in the last 5 minutes made a call to a builder about potentially building some other rentals. I'm that involved in the business of investing in real estate. Now let me tell you about this wonderful course. CRS 204 has been offered by the Council of Residential Specialists for a number of years, but only in the last 3 or 4 years has been rewritten to get away from a calculator-based course and into an Excel spreadsheet-based course, where basically you're going to be looking at 6 worksheets to determine whether the rents are correct, whether we're paying too much for this property, how good a deal is the property, and maybe even is it time to sell a property. So these worksheets are something that you've probably never seen before, and it's something that you really want to come and take a look at, learn how to use, and go from there. Let me tell you what else is in this book. We have 9 chapters, and included in those 9 chapters are thorough involvement with the calculation of those worksheets. But other chapters include the taxation benefits of owning residential rental real estate. We have a wonderful chapter on managing your properties. Should you manage your property yourself? Should you have a professional manager do it for you? We'll explore all the pros and cons of that. We have a good chapter on marketing to investors. We all know that investors in rental real estate come back and more and more and more buy, where we may only have a homeowner come and buy every 9, 10, 12 years, whatever. So a wonderful chapter on conducting webinars and seminars for investors to access more business. We have an excellent chapter on 1031 exchanges, the ability to sell a property, do it correctly, pay no tax or little tax, and move that money into another investment property. The last chapter deals with acquisition strategies, a very, very well-written chapter on should we take on partners, should we use equities in our home, should we use equities in our other properties, should we live in a property and then move out of it and make it into a rental property? Should we take title in an LLC or an S corporation or a C corporation? And likewise, how should we be titling our business of selling real estate? The issue of commission income. We'll also talk about the very relevant issue of should we buy real estate with our IRAs, something that I've done repeatedly, and just the last, on July 30th of this year, my IRA closed on the purchase of another rental piece of property. So I really encourage you to come to this class. And one more thing, when you enroll, when you register, you'll receive an email with the various spreadsheets attached to that email and instructions on how to download those spreadsheets into your various technologies. So these technologies could include iPads, it could include PCs, it could include Macs, and we want you to come into the class ready to go with those worksheets preloaded into your technologies. So I hope to see you soon in October in Atlanta. Come and we're going to have a wonderful 2 days and you will learn a wealth of information. Thanks.